Meet X. No, not that X, this X. If you ask X to write a letter, he'll write it. If you ask him to explain something, he'll explain it. He always does exactly what he's told. That's AI. Now meet Y. If you ask Y to send a renewal reminder to customers, she'll say, all right, where's the spreadsheet? Which customers are left? What should the email say? Then she'll gather the data, send the emails, and log everything so you don't have to. That's an AI agent. So while AI just answers, an agent actually acts. And today, I'll show you how to build one inside Zapier. Thanks to Airlift for sponsoring this video. It's the easiest way to make your WordPress sites fast, no matter how many plugins or heavy pages you have. I have left a special plan linked in the comment below, so make sure to check it out. Now let's get back to the video. First, log in at zapier.com. Once you're in, look over on the left-hand side. You'll see agents with a beta tag. Let's click that. Here we land on the agents dashboard. You'll see ready-made templates for common tasks like following up with leads or analyzing expenses. These are great shortcuts, but in this tutorial, we'll create our own custom agent. In the top left corner, click Create a Custom Agent. On the right, Zapier asks, what do you want this agent to do? So think of it like writing step-by-step instructions for Y. At the top, I'll also give it a name, Y was getting pissed. WP Dev Renewal Reminder Agent. Here's the goal I'll type in. Every evening at 5 p.m., check our WP Dev subscription sheet in Google Sheets. Find all rows where renewal data is within 7 days and renewal email sent is blank. Send a polite renewal reminder email to the address in the customer email column. Then update the renewal email sent column with today's date. Just simple plain English. Now Zapier says this requires tools. Remember, without tools, an agent can think, but it can't act. Tools give it hands. Let's add the right ones now. Schedule by Zapier runs daily at 5 p.m. Google Sheets lookup rows, scans the spreadsheet. Gmail send email, sends the reminders. Google Sheets update row marks the update. Now our agent has everything it needs. On the right, click Test Agent. The first time it fails. Why? Because I just said subscription sheet in my instructions, but the actual name is WP Dev Subscriptions. The agent asks me to clarify, so I updated the name and tested again. Now it works. It finds the overdue rows, drafts the email, and shows me the preview. But I noticed I forgot to add Gmail earlier. Let's fix that. Click Add Tools, pick Gmail, drag Send Email next to the right step, and test again. This time, perfect. The email is in my inbox and the spreadsheet shows today's date in the renewal email sent column. Once the preview looks good, flip the switch in the top right to turn it on. From now on, this runs automatically every evening at 5 p.m. Want to adjust it? Just update the instructions. For example, change the subject line to renew your WP subscription now. Also CC billing@wpdev.com on every email. And that's it. We've built a Zapier AI agent from scratch. This example is very basic, but that's the point. It shows how an agent is different from plain AI. AI just answers. An agent finds the right data, takes action, and updates your systems all on its own. Start small like this, and soon you will be building agents that handle far more powerful workflows. If you found this helpful, please like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.